Good morning. Good morning. How are y'all doing? I pray all is well. As I'm out here on the track, get my workout in and everything like that sometimes, we have a goal or something that we working toward, we trying to reach. We get a little tired. We like, Lord, so I'm going to ever get to it. But scripture came to me this morning, James 2:25-26. And I was reading in the Message View. I like King James Version and I like Message View as well. The message part. And it says, you separate faith from works. It's just like a corpse. It's dead. So faith without works is dead. A lot of times when we quote scripture, we really don't know. We like, okay, faith without works is dead. A lot of people have the faith, but they don't do no work behind it. And that's why a lot of times it don't happen. For example, if you out here, if you're trying to lose weight and you got a goal to reach, you got to work toward the goal. You can't just say, okay, I got the faith to lose 30 or 40 pounds, but you're not eating right, or you're not exercising, you're not going to take a walk, or you're not doing something toward to reach your goal. And that's with anything. And I think that's with a lot of us, We want all these things, but are we willing to put in the work? Okay? If you put in the work, it'll happen. It'll happen for you. I've seen it happen. But we got to be willing to put in the work. Listen, I know it's hard. I know it's tough. I know you're tired. I know you're frustrated. I know you feel like throwing in the towel. You feel like giving up. But don't give up. Keep going and press in. And know that you don't have to do this by yourself. You can do this with God. And simply say, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You don't have to do it alone. Okay? I don't care what it is. If it's a job, losing weight, starting your own business, starting a YouTube channel, podcasting, going back to school, whatever it is. You put the faith with it, but you got to put the work with it too. It says you separate faith and work, you ain't going to get nothing but a corpse. So remember, faith without works is dead. So let's get up. Let's put this work in, because I'm putting it in this morning. I know y'all can put it in too. Listen, do I get tired sometimes? Yes. Do I get a little weary sometimes? Of course. But I'm going to press on and press in because I got a goal to reach. Okay? So let's get in. Let's get the work done. Y'all have a blessed one and be encouraged.